Hello everyone, welcome back to Nova Armory. Today we're going to be cleaning and disassembling the HK VP9 9mm. As always, we want to ensure that the weapon is safe and ready to handle, so ensure that there are no magazine inserted or rounds in the chamber. Once we do so, we are going to begin disassembly. So we want to rack the weapon to the rear, pull down on the slide, release and pull off the upper. We want to take the spring out, and the barrel is to follow. Alright, so from the factory, this weapon comes heavily greased. So first thing we want to do is prep this weapon for storage. I do like to store my weapons a little dry just because I don't want anything being gunked up in here like dust and other particles. So we're going to dry this down a little bit. This is a new weapon. So you want to ensure that there's no fouling, no marks on the slides, or anything that is metal to metal on this weapon. And with the barrel, we're just wiping down. Again, this is a new weapon, so we want to get it ready for storage. Dry it off as much as we can. And this is just a basic cleaning. We're just wiping the spring down. And again, we want to look and make sure that there's no fouling or scuff marks on anything that is metal to metal on this gun. And just wiping off some of the excess grease. Alright. Alright, reassembly. So we're going to start with the upper, the barrel. Next, again, push it to the rear, make sure it's nice and secure. The spring is next. Need to ensure that the spring sets on the lower catch of that barrel. Alright, so you want to ensure that the slides are meeting up. You will rack to the rear, locking the slide to the rear, and then release. Next is the functions check. Thank you everyone for joining. This is Nova Armory and the Armor Service. Please stay tuned for future episodes.